Hello, fellow crafters! Have you ever tried to throw in some rust texture into your craft projects? I need a new art journal because the previous one is full, and I wanted it to have some kind of earthy feeling with a little bit of golden magic, so I thought, why not make it with rust and gold? After the book cover priming was done, I thought that I would like to have some texture with modeling paste, and this stencil was nice. So I put some flowers with it onto the cover, and I wanted to keep this very simple, this book cover, so some flowers and some rust and golden. That's about it. And I tried every single flower in between before I made a new one, because the stencil would have squished the previous flower. And now to the rusty texture part. Here I use makeup sponges and acrylic paint. I use brown and black paint. Of course, you can do this with any shades you like. This brown is a little bit reddish. I wanted it to be red brown. Just keep adding the paint until you are satisfied with the result. And now to the fun part. Here I use PVA glue and kaneli, which is cinnamon in Finnish. Just keep splattering around the cinnamon and then take the PVA glue and tap it on to the cinnamon. Do not use too much of PVA glue because it will turn out to be bubbly. Just a gentle amount will do the job. This layer is all about the corrosion, and the next layer is all about the rust. And then let's move on to the rust layer. This time first you put the PVA glue onto the cover and then the cinnamon, and then just tap it with your finger and make it spread. I just put it here and there, and I think this amount will do for this cover. And I think it turned out quite earthy, and I am happy. And next, let's go into the golden magic part. I wanted these flowers to pop up a bit, so I used my finger and not a brush, because I wanted the texture be the main focus on this cover, so I didn't want to tap on too much gold here. I think these flowers turned out beautiful on this cover, and I think it represents so nicely the art journal that I want to make in the future. The main theme of my art journaling is the northern nature with its lovely magic. So the art journaling journey continues, and I cannot wait to be able to dive into the first spread. I think I will use this rust technique in some smaller things. This was quite nice. But for now, thank you so much for watching and have a lovely week. Lovelies. Bye!